Hello everyone, Will here from BubVisuals and we're back in the shed today for another video. However, this time, instead of putting a keyboard together, we're going to be fixing one. So, my friend has recently been complaining that sometimes when he presses the spacebar on his keyboard, it will double space. Now, we kind of got this down to two things. It's either an off-center stabilizer or a broken switch. Now, once we tested the switch, we found that that was indeed the problem. However, I don't have any more blue switches. What I'm going to do to get around this, however, is I'm actually going to replace the escape key with a brown switch so we still get the tactile clicky feeling on the spacebar. Yeah, that was easy enough. Uh-oh. Okay, so I managed to get it off, and look at that soldering. That's the spacebar. The pin's actually been flattened onto the board. There we go. All done. So I did actually manage to fix my friend's keyboard, and the next day I brought it to him. However, I gave it to him before I could actually film anything, so this next part of the video is a bit of a mess. Next day, sounds like Dunkirk without a limiter. Just pose with the keyboard.
No.
When I did give it to him though, he said he really liked it, and the keyboard's been working fine with no issues, so I consider this fix a success. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. There's one thing left to say, and that is goodbye.
No.